Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Halloween, Tuesday, October 31st, 2017. Hope you're having a good week. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract, daily chart of the broad market in futures form, which is the proper technical way to look at the market. The market did not do much today as the first charges were filed against the members of the Trump campaign after 6 months of investigation. So far, the market doesn't seem to care. Let's go through the major indices, and then we'll look at the economic data coming out tomorrow. We'll look at the intraday action. So crude oil up 22 cents to 54.12. That's almost a new high for the year. Gold up $4.90. Not a big deal there. S&P cash index lost $8.24. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ 100 was up 14.12, mostly on the backs of Apple and Amazon. We'll look at those again in a moment. SOX was up just 2 and now has a 13 sell signal. We pointed this out on Friday. 13 sell signal in place, and the SOX, which has led a lot of this rally, stalling out. The biotechs were up 1.89, and that's after being down sharply the last week or two. The VIX back up 70 cents to 10.50. Trend closes at 1.10. That leaves the 10-day moving average at 1.05. NASDAQ volume was about 1.9 billion at the close. They showed 2 billion here. That counts some after hours trading in this case. Got the NASDAQ advanced decline ratio. Here's what's interesting, how bad the advanced decline ratio is while the NASDAQ makes new highs. Negative 804 on the NASDAQ. 804 more stocks down than up. Advanced decline ratio on the New York was negative 654. Google loses 54 cents. Apple gains $3.67. This is part of what held the NASDAQ up. So did Amazon, gaining $9.90. Percentage-wise, that's a smaller move than the Apple move, but still another new high for Amazon. Netflix loses back $1.17. Tesla loses back 79 cents. TLT, that's the 20-year bond ETF, up $1.18, and Goldman Sachs was down 82 cents. The Dow Jones also down almost 100 points. Here's a look at the ES. This is the intraday 5-minute chart. So after Friday, we had the 13 sell signal at the high on Friday. And then you can see small gap down, didn't quite fill the gap, rolled over, made new lows ahead of lunch, and then dead flat in a narrow range for the last 4 hours of the day. That was disappointing, of course. We had a good morning on the futures and stocks, but nothing going on in the afternoon. Look at the NASDAQ. So how boring was this after the first push up, and then came back, and then just stuck in a very narrow range the whole back part of the day. All right, in terms of economic data coming out tomorrow on Tuesday, Halloween, and again, Halloween, it might be a little slow. People heading out early to get going on their trick-or-treating, potentially. But we've got the employment cost index at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We've got the Chicago PMI at 9:45 and consumer confidence at 10. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great Trading Tuesday and happy Halloween.